So the video cut off. I peeled off that label, look. That's what the top looks like. Yeah. And I'm going to read these now, look. Apparently, you shove it in, look. And it works with your FM radio. Right, so just remember, I've got a 2006 Yaris, and that's the current radio that's in it, and this is what I'm putting in it. I got it off Amazon, I think it was about 17 quid. Keep you posted how it goes. So I plugged it in, and at first it said 87.5, which I presume is the radio, and now it's flashing BT up, which might mean Bluetooth. I haven't actually read these yet, so we'll have to see how it goes. So I've tuned the radio in at 87.5 because that's what that flashed up with first, and you can't hear it, look. Right, and I think that's it. I think that's what it means, because there's no crackler out. So it's flashing Bluetooth, so now I've got to join it with Bluetooth. Let's go. So as you can see, look, I've turned on my Bluetooth, look. Yeah, and I've chose that, look. Bluetooth pairing request. That's what that is. Yeah, so I'm going to click pair. And did you hear that? I just heard a dun dun. So it says it's connected for calls and media audio. So maybe now that's it. I'll keep you rolling. Hold on. No, yeah. I'm gonna pause it in case I've got photographs on my phone. Hold on. So here, look, on my phone, I'm gonna go to audio. Look, I presume these are all preloaded things into the phone. So let's choose one and see whether it plays. Oh, play. And that's it coming through the car. See? So that's it. So no wires. I mean, it's flashing. That's probably flashing with a beat or flashing through Bluetooth, but that's working through this phone, look, through Bluetooth, look. So sick, look, so I can pause it, look, paused it. There you go. So if you want to play your music through Bluetooth on an old car, I mean, just like I said, mine's a Yaris, then get one of these Bluetooth things. Alright. Anyway, in a bit.